get this in here so I can show you how it compares to the airfoil. Alright, let's give the water another minute to kind of settle down a bit. I think we got some extra dye stuck to that guy. It's growing a bit. So the water's still a little bit wavy, but you can kind of start to see that the dye around it, again, it does not stick to the side of it really nicely like it did on the smooth airfoil. Instead, once it hits that 90-degree sharp angle, it kind of breaks off and it doesn't really stick as well as it should. And it's just kind of basically doing its own thing once it gets past that angle. And you can see behind it how much more weight there is compared to what there was before. So that's just another demonstration of how air does not bend around sharp corners. It will separate and not stick to the surface anymore. So that's just kind of another cool way to look at it. And there is a lot of weight back here. It turns out that in order to escape this effect, you need to have about 30 diameters of that object behind it before you start to get back to normal airflow that's unaffected by that object. So it's a pretty big distance that you need. And also this does get wider and wider the further out you go. So I mean, it does have a pretty big effect. So alright, I think that's about it for what I wanted to show you. So I know